Hey everyone, I'm Lauren. I have ADHD and this is I Know What I'm Doing. This is the channel where I indulge my urge to start new hobbies with little to no prior knowledge and the faith that I'll figure it out as I go. I'm not always safe, please don't do as I do. Today I'm starting on the next piece of Verna's cabinet. If you don't know who Verna is, check out part 1 here. If you enjoy watching this, please subscribe, check the description for links to my Ko-fi and Patreon accounts. New hobbies are expensive, so are good microphones and cameras, so your donations are greatly appreciated. This part of the cabinet lifts up to let the sewing machine swing up or down, and then it supports the edge of the machine while it's in use. I'm going straight in with the mineral spirits and steel wool and getting really good results this time. You can already see some of the wood grain peeking through the horrible brown paint. Having this part on the ground definitely gives me more room for elbow grease. Time to give it a quick wipe and see how we're doing. The scraper isn't really getting much here, the surface is just too smooth. This short end is a bit tough because I want to follow the wood grain, but that doesn't really give me a lot of room to work with. A little cleanup underneath, and let's see what the top side has to offer. Now, I've been informed in a Facebook group that for this shellac on the top side, I should be using denaturalized alcohol and a brush, and that's a thing I'll keep in mind for next time and a thing you know now. I gave up on that pretty quickly and went back to the underside with sandpaper. Once again, my need for immediate results has not allowed this to dry properly, and my sandpaper is getting gummed up really quickly. I should have done this at the start, but I'm pulling out the felt pads that protect the wood and the bottom of the machine from each other. We don't want those getting soaked in mineral spirits and oil. Is there a hole in my glove? Yes. Do I care? Nah. Okay, maybe I do care. Quick hand wash, new gloves, and go. I'm using the scraper to get that inner corner because otherwise it's pretty much impossible to get. That's all for this week though. If you have a hobby you think I should try, drop it in the comments along with any useful bits of advice or thoughts on the video. I will see you Friday with more sanding and scraping. Love you!